My base is done. Now I'm filling in my eyebrows. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vallari. I'm using an eyebrow pencil. Once I'm happy with the shape, I'm brushing them upwards. Next, I'm filling in any sparse areas. For an eyeshadow base, I'm using a concealer. For today's eye makeup, I'm using Profusion Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I'll be listing all the products in the description box below. Using this shade as a transition shade, I'm applying it with the help of a fluffy brush. Next, I'm using this shade. With the help of a pencil brush, I'm creating this shape. This shade was not dark enough, so I'm using this next shade. I'm taking the same shade on my lower lash line. Next, I'm cutting my crease with a concealer. I'm using a flat brush for this. In the middle of my eye, I'm using this shiny shade. Next, I'm bringing everything together. Next, I'm tightening my eyes. To apply falsies, I'm applying the blue first. When you apply falsies, apply in the middle first, then press the outer corner and inner corner. They tend to come off from your corners, so make sure that you apply more glue on the corners. Next, I'm applying some mascara on the low waterline as well. I'm outlining my lips with a lip liner first. You can skip this step if you want to. I'm going in with a liquid lipstick. You can apply the lipstick of your choice. Last but not the least, some setting spray. And that's it. That's the final look. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.